3, oh my gosh, 2, 1. This is the cool thing that I have on my property that nobody else in the entire universe has on their property. I know I'm super like dramatic. Look at this. This is a site where people, I'm guessing at least 100 years ago, because if I'm going to show you close up, the cans, if you look at the cans, there are no, they were cans of food, obviously. They were cut open. This is where they used to eat. Whoever used to stay here 100 years ago. I'm assuming it was the Indians, because I know there was a war up here and there's a bunch of Indians. I am also Native American, so I'm not sure why I'm saying Indian. It is not Indian, it is Native American. That are buried up here from the battle. And I think I have a couple burial sites on my property. Anyways, so if you look at the cans, I will show you. There are no dates. I'll pull one out and show you. There's no dates. There's no... Oh, there's one hidden in the tree. Ah, it's hiding. I'll pull this one out. Okay, so we're going to look at it. There's no dates. If you look on the bottom, there's no name of any company. And in our time, there would have been like an expiration date or some type of name of a company, and there is none. So that tells me, at least I'm guessing, these are at least 100 years old. And this is literally where they used to sit and eat. Possibly, like, I don't know. I'm trying to guess. I don't know if these are food bowls. I'm not sure if... Here's a pail. An old pail. I think that's so cool. Definitely they were eating here, because there's obviously food cans that were cut open. And this looks to be maybe a gas container. I don't know. I could be completely wrong. Oh, it is. Ha! It's an old gas container. I knew it. That is an old gas container. And there's a little spout that came out. Okay. So they had gasoline. This over here could be for water. I'm not sure. There's another pail. Sorry I keep sniffing. It is kind of chilly. And my nose always runs when it's chilly. Anyway, so this is their site where they used to sit and eat, or I don't know, maybe they had fires. They probably could have had a teepee around here somewhere. It's hard to tell on camera, but right here you can see the earth goes into a point. So that is where there used to be water that used to flow down here. Anyways, so that's my little treasure that nobody else in the entire universe has in their garden. And I'm super excited about it. I love it. I'm going to leave it there. And my garden is right up there. You see the shovel? There's the garden. That's where it's going to be. So I'll be able to see this while I'm in my garden, and I think it's amazing. I'm in love with it. That's my treasure. Okay, back up to the garden. And I'm almost done clearing it. I'm starting with a small space. So again, it starts from that pink flag to that pink flag. And then it comes all through here to that pink flag and this one right here. So it's kind of a rectangle space. It's sort of big, I guess, for a first garden, but it's smaller than what I want to do. Eventually, I'm gonna expand like way over there. It's gonna be amazing. I can't wait. Anyway, so this is off-grid living. We just moved on the property a month ago on March 1st. Oh my gosh, I just almost tripped over my axe. We moved here a month ago. It's raw land. I'm going to show you over here. So up here is all these little pink flags. This is the space for cabin number 2. It's going to be a bigger cabin. So this is going to be the space for cabin number 2, and I'll show you why it has amazing views if we can see it today. I'm not sure because it's cloudy. I don't think you can see it because the clouds. Nope, you can't, not today. Anyway, so here is my future pool, and this is the space for the future pool. That's where it's going to be. I don't know what all this is going to be yet. This is like going to be, I guess, our front yard, because I think the cabin is going right there. Here comes Eclipse. See, this is Eclipse. Come here, Eclipse. Eclipse, say hi. Say hi, Eclipsey. That's Eclipse. And this is Luna. Sit. 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 She's only 3 months old. She doesn't know that yet. That's Luna. And that's Eclipse. And this is Mindy. And I'm signing out, so I can go finish digging up my garden, my back to Eden garden. You guys, I wish I could turn this around. You guys, my back to Eden garden. Look at my hair. Oh my God. Wow. Okay. I have been planning my back to Eden garden for over a year. I'm not even kidding. A year and a half at least. I've been watching videos. One that I really like to watch is it's the Back to Eden videos from Starry Hilder. I think that's her last name. Here are my ants. You see all these ants? I need to buy a bag of tobacco today and boil it and pour the water, the tobacco water, in there to kill the ants. So I've been watching Starry Hilder and like a couple other people who do the Back to Eden gardening. I really need to do something about this. It should be up here. There, I'll just hold it. Just kidding. And I've learned so much about the Back to Eden gardening. I've learned about composting, and I say learned as in I don't know much. I'm learning. I am a newbie, and I'm not afraid to say that. And I know there's people who haven't even heard of the Back to Eden garden method. So hopefully you can learn it with me and maybe even implement it in your own garden. It's amazing. I guess that's it. I'm excited to have you guys here. This is my new channel, my off-grid channel, and I'm going to be posting everything that I'm doing off-grid. Some of it might seem like, why is she even bothering posting that? I want you guys to follow my journey. This is going to be a huge journey. My puppy likes my little treasure down here. Nope. I think she likes my treasures. I want you guys to follow me, and this is like a huge adventure. I just bought 10 acres. I know some people have like 100 acres and they're like, 10, whatever. But hey, I never even owned 1 acre before. So for me, this is amazing. And it's gorgeous out here. You guys can see, this is my yard. This is my play yard, all of it. I can do whatever I want with my play yard. And I have lots of plans. I'm gonna get chickens. I might even get a horse. I don't know about the horse, but I'm getting chickens. And I'm gonna get, I don't know about goats. I know people get goats and they drink the goat milk. I've never tried goat milk. I am a city girl who is now in the country. So I'm learning. This is City Girl Gone Country Off-Grid. And I hope you guys enjoy. I really seriously hope you guys follow my journey and enjoy every bit of it with me. It's fun. You're gonna see good times, bad times, hard times. Whew, just a little bit of everything. Sometimes I'll have makeup on and sometimes I won't. But you know, whatever. I'm not in the city anymore, so it doesn't matter. Okay, You guys are awesome. Thank you for being here. Please subscribe. And after you subscribe, I don't know, it's a new thing. There's a little thing you can click on next to subscribe. It's like a notification thing. So click subscribe, and then there's a little thing next to it. Click that. That's going to notify you when I put new videos up. And I'm so excited to have you guys here with me. And it's going to be exciting, and we have a lot of projects. We have, oh my gosh, I'm going to build an outhouse with my own hands. Oh, I almost fell in one of my holes that I just dug. I'm going to build an outhouse. I'm going to build, what else am I going to build? An outdoor shower, a water system. It's going to be using cisterns and gravity-fed water. An irrigation system for a garden. It's going to be gravity-fed. A rain catching system. What else? Oh, I need a fence around my garden so the rabbits don't get into it. And, oh, a composting. I'm so excited about this. I'm going to make a composting bin. I'm going to build it. It's like the 3 system. It has like the center and then the 2 sides that you put the hay in. I can't wait. I'm super excited about that. And a whole bunch of things. I have a grocery list of things that I want to do with my new land. I'm super excited. I'm glad you guys are here. You guys are awesome. Please subscribe. Please follow me. Please enjoy. Get yourself some property. Get yourself some off-grid property. Don't be scared. You only get one life. So live it. Do everything you can with it. Or you can live vicariously through me and my off-grid endeavors. All right. You guys are awesome. See you next time. Make sure to follow me. Subscribe. Click the little button so you can get notified. This is City Girl Gone Country Off Grid, signing out.